Welcome everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to walk through the evolution of a top-notch maintenance team 2 years into their journey. We'll explore how to transition from a reactive to a proactive maintenance approach and how to use metrics to drive decision-making. We'll also share some fresh ideas to optimize your work order management and introduce the concept of route checklists. Along the way, you'll learn how to involve your whole team in this transformation, from machine operators to maintenance technicians. Now let's get started. All right, let's dive into part 3 of our series on building a top-notch maintenance team. By now, you're about 2 years into your journey and you're seeing some fantastic results. Downtime numbers have improved, maintenance costs have gone down, and you're even able to calculate additional savings based on increased runtime. You're transitioning from a reactive maintenance department to a proactive first-class one. You're starting to understand different aspects of maintenance, and you're keen on finding the root cause of failures. You know that understanding the root cause will eliminate the issue once and for all. This is first-class maintenance, and there's no going back once you've experienced it. First up, you need to be committed to reducing your work order backlog. This means planning and following through on your commitments. During outages and downturns, you should be able to balance major and convenience items. By this point, the easy stuff that moves the metrics needle is gone. You're running now, and to get better, it's going to take a team effort. Next, it's time to use data and metrics to drive your decisions. This is when maintenance and production can see the difference, and production will want to get involved. Machine operators will start entering good descriptive breakdown information because they want to be part of the culture. Here's a helpful tip for your work orders. You can add downturn or outage to the bottom of your work order. This will make it easy to spot when you're going through them. If you're a to-the-minute type of maintenance department, add an estimated time per technician needed to complete the work order. Now, let's talk about implementing route checklists, total productive maintenance, or TPM, developed route checklists by machine, so operators can complete regular machine health checks. This is a great practice that gets machine operators and helpers involved in doing maintenance checks daily. The positive side is that it prevents days of unplanned downtime. You should also provide additional training to advance your team's skills. This could include welding, blueprint readings, office computer skills, Six Sigma certification, or PLC programming. This list will be best generated in your world with what's relevant to your maintenance needs. Remember to recognize your maintenance team for their achievements and commitment. This will build trust and cause more ideas to flow in. Now let's focus on production entering why a machine is not running for breakdowns. This is now a must-have item. As a rule of thumb, the operator and maintenance technician should talk about it first. You should also use interactive dashboards to see metrics that improve reliability. This will help you eliminate waste at the root cause, reduce downtime, decrease maintenance costs, and understand reliability maintenance. Finally, it's time to start focus groups to specialize in certain fields. This will allow you to get a much broader look at the machine. Predictive maintenance practices are a must if you want to see results. In conclusion, remember to reduce work order backlog, set up work orders in groups, use data and metrics to drive decisions, develop route checklists, provide additional training, recognize your team's achievements, have production enter the reason for machine downtime, start focused groups, and understand work orders. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered a lot today, from transitioning from reactive to proactive maintenance, using metrics to drive decisions, to developing route checklists and recognizing team achievements. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, continuous learning and improvement are the keys to success in maintenance. Stay tuned for the last step in our series, the sprint, and keep striving for improvement.